To Zelle split a payment. Start by opening your mobile banking app or the Zelle app on your device. If you do not have Zelle, you can download it from the App Store and enroll using your bank account or debit card information. Once you have accessed Zelle, navigate to the Send Money tab and enter the recipient's email address or mobile number. If the recipient is not enrolled in Zelle, they will receive a notification to enroll and claim the payment. Next, enter the payment amount and select the account you want to use to fund the payment. You can also add a memo to describe the payment. To split the payment, you will need to use the Request and Split feature. This feature allows you to request money from multiple people and split the payment evenly. To use this feature, navigate to the Request and Split tab and enter the total amount of the payment. Then, enter the names and email addresses or mobile numbers of the people you want to split the payment with. Zelle will automatically split the payment evenly among the recipients and send them a request for their portion of the payment. When using Zelle to split a payment, it is essential to ensure that all parties are enrolled in Zelle and have a valid debit card or bank account. You should also communicate clearly with the recipients about the payment and the split amount to avoid any confusion. Additionally, be aware of the payment limits and any fees associated with using Zelle. Most banks and credit unions do not charge fees for using Zelle, but there may be limits on the amount you can send or receive. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily use Zelle to split a payment and make it easier to manage shared expenses with friends, family, or roommates.